So, today we are going to talk about a video game product that is becoming very popular, Valorant. Valorant is a free multiplayer first-person shooter video games developed and published by Guerrilla Games. The games were first announced under the codename Project and in October 2019. Gameplay: Valorant is a tactical first-person team shooter video game set in the near future in 1, 2, 3, 4 players taking control of a hunt. Characters who hail from a host of countries and cultures around the world. World in the main game mode players join in the attacking or defending team with each team having with 5 players. Agents have unique abilities and using economic system of purchase, take abilities and weapons. The video games and a variety of weapons including pistols, submachine guns, shotguns, machete guns, assault rifle, and sniper rifle. 6, 5th and 6th H weapon has a recoil pattern that must be controlled by player in order to fire accurately. The attacking team has bomb catching speed that they did not plan at sight of attacking team successfully protect despite 4 seconds and in the denial they will score a point if in defeat team successfully. This activity despite of 10 seconds round teams inspires the defending team score a point. If members of a team are eliminated, the opposing team scores 1 point. After 12 rounds, the attacking team switches to the defending team and vice versa. The first team to win 3 rounds wins the game except for overtime, where you must the goal wins rounds in a row. Over time, we have seen decoration of different competitions, but with the clubs have been organization when launching the league or tournament program for FISH 2021. Valorant is in a stage of growth and improvement, so it's the continuous hope that start the game undergoes dramatic different aspects is normal, but the organization had especially focused on creating a good community be established. Section for both inactive players and bit behavior through messages and during games. Game changers are becoming the new Valorant program and comes with the aim of offering new opportunities and giving great visibility to women as good after discriminated gender in game sports.